Hello everybody and welcome back to the Envelope Art Academy. Today we are going to be working on this really charming card, this Oops-a-Daisy card by our friend Elizabeth Gruba. Now, this was not included in our first kit. So if you are planning on painting along with me, then you will need this kit and this card. If you order a brand new kit, you will get this card and stamps included as well. As you know, your kit comes with the POSCA pen, the Micron pen, and a pencil. Those are the tools we need. Most people have their own paints. And yeah, let's get started. What I'll be doing is mixing up some paints, doing a rough sketch in pencil, and placing the postage stamps. And we'll be doing all of that in a time-lapse video so that you can follow along with me. All right, let's do this. So one of the things you'll notice is the creative liberties I took when sketching out the daisies and these loose flowers and a butterfly. I also left plenty of room up here for our return address and plenty of room down here to address the envelope to our recipients. Now, in this card, the flower is white on the outside and yellow on the inside. I might reverse that a little bit on here and make the inside white and the outside yellow, just to give the envelope a little more pop of color. All right, let's mix up some paint. What we're going to do now is let this dry, and then we are going to be using our white Posca pen to accent the insides of the three flowers, plus add in some additional detail with our paint. The last part of this envelope to bring it to life is to use your Micron pen, and this is totally optional. I just think this is a little bit fun and gives you some, like I said, creative liberties. Basically, you're just going to be adding some detail to the leaves, to the shapes of the flowers in kind of a broad, almost haphazard approach, and that actually gives shape and outline to the flowers on the page, especially since you have such light flowers on a light envelope. And there's no rules to this. You don't have to do this. Sometimes when you start, it feels a little bit sloppy, but when you're done, it adds a nice touch. All right, there we go. I think we're all done.